Hi. Welcome to another Magisk tutorial. In today's video, we gonna show you another unique, but important Magisk module. It's called GMSdoze, or Universal GMSdoze. And, it's known as the most effective battery saver option, for Magisk-rooted devices. Let me explain a little bit. Most of our smartphones' battery consumed by the system processing apps like Google Play services. And that at least 30%. But, you can't do anything for that, because, without Google services, there's not much to do in Android for the regular user. So it's not a good idea to remove or disable Google Play services. But, GMSdoze can optimize system apps like Google Play services, and offer you extended battery life than regular using. If you want more technical details, check out Universal GMSdoze on Github. Alright, let's install GMSdoze. First, download the GMSdoze module from the link in description. Then, open the Magisk Manager, and go to the Module tab. Tap Install from Storage. Now, select the downloaded zip file from storage, and it will automatically start the installation process. After that, tap the Reboot button to restart your device. Now you need to download Terminal Emulator app from Play Store. Open the Terminal Emulator app, type SU and press Enter. Then type gmsc and press Enter for Start GMSdoze module, and it will begin the optimization process. Now, we need to make sure if Google Play services is optimized or not. So, type this code and press Enter. In this list, find this line, and if this line does not exist, it means Google Play services is optimized. After confirm that, type this code and press Enter for fix a issue you might get from this module. Then type this code, press Enter again. Make sure to enter the code as given. You can find these codes in video description if you want. Now, type CD and press Enter. Finally, type this code and press Enter again. Then restart your device, and you successfully install GMSdoze module on your phone. If you had any errors, let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for new updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.